Worm trim is a classic finish for machine knitted items. It's often used to stop rolling edges, particularly common on blankets, and it's also a decorative edge. To work it, we hang a little bit of the edge of a fabric on the machine, usually 3 stitches, though it can be another number, and we knit about double the number of rows that we hung stitches. So 3 stitches, 6 rows is perhaps the most common version, but other versions can be used. 2 stitches, 4 rows is common for making a tiny little edge, and I've used 10 stitches and 20 rows to make a really big dramatic edge. My personal preference is to push the tool in next to the edge column of stitches. That is when working up the row direction of knitting. Behind the cast on or bind off when working across the other dimension.